This week I am back in Seattle, but a little bit different. I'm actually staying at the Silver Cloud Hotel by the stadiums on First Avenue South, part of a group package. So this is room 738. When you walk in, first on your right, there is a closet. And I'm actually going to turn this light on. And the closet has a bunch of shelves in it, as you can see. Ironing board. It looks like there may have been an extra blanket in there at one point, but not. A safe, and then a suitcase holder. Then if you go directly to the left, you have the bathroom, and they have Aveda products, just a nice big sink and decent lighting. Toilet, a little compartment for hair dryer, toilet paper, and a very large bathtub with a little area in the back there. So then we're going to go out to the main part, and there's a little wet bar, microwave, refrigerator, and a coffee station with an actual legit coffee maker. That's kind of cool. Then king bed, an alarm clock next to the bed that has USB chargers in it for your phone. And no top sheet at this hotel. Very large TV. And then this side of the bed actually has a little charge port for laptops or whatnot. Chair, a desk area, and the view. It's actually really sunny in Seattle today, and I apparently can't open. Okay, and the view is that of Safeco Field. So it'd be cool if there was a game or something going on, but there's probably not much going on at Safeco in February. So, but it's still kind of a cool view of, the area here. So, and also this window opens, which is great. You can get some fresh air in, which is awesome. So this is 738 at the Silver Cloud Stadium. And then heading up to the 9th floor, there is an outdoor jacuzzi and pool on the rooftop, along with some lawn chairs and little places to sit and just take in the views of the city.